we're going to do is we're going to bubble sort in 2D. Okay, so this is what bubble sorting in 2D looks like. We can actually see it come together, and it looks pretty cool. It takes a while though, right? But it actually looks kind of compelling. We can do that again, just so you can see what's going on. Okay, so we actually do not have to change our bubble sort function from last time. So you can copy and paste the bubble sort function you did last time. Your previous bubble sort function. The only special processing we have to do is we have to take this 2D array and make it a 1D array that can be sorted by our function before we pass it into our function. So we take this 2D array and we grab the values and we put them into a 1D array. Now, both of these things refer to the same object. So we can put this line here, and this line here, and this line here. So sorting this will be the same thing as sorting this, which is actually pretty cool. So you put it into a temp array, then you pass this temp array to your bubble sort function, and it'll change the shades of each of these, which are the same thing as changing the shades of each of these, and you should see it sort automatically, okay? Which is kind of fun. And we'll talk a little more about that. This is an implication of shallow copying, okay? So this box refers to the same thing as this box in memory, okay? So both of these refer to the same. So if I change the shade of this one, I'm changing the shade of this one, all right? And so we can go through and pass this one-dimensional array to our bubble sort, and it'll sort our two-dimensional one, okay? So we have to do some sort of looping, right? And I'll tell you, it's gonna not just one loop, it might be a couple of loops, right? Because for every row, we gotta go down every column, or every column, we gotta go every row, right? And so, or for every row, we gotta go over every column like this. And we go over every column, and we put it there. And we go over the next column and put it there. And we go over the next column, we put it there, okay? And once we get through the whole column, and we have it in temp array, we can pass it to the bubble sort function you've already done. You've already completed it, and it should work perfectly, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. It's pretty fun, right? I like it. Anyways, woo. All right, I'll see you next video.